Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking. Now this is a tutorial of an earring. The materials used for this tutorial is what is on the screen. Stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting by cutting about 20 inches of the fashion line. Okay, then I'll continue by picking one crystal, a pearl bead, another crystal, a pearl bead, another crystal, a pearl bead, the last crystal, and the last pearl bead. So in total should be having 4 crystals and 4 pearl beads. Okay guys, now after picking them, I'm going to tie them up. Okay, so after tying them up firmly, I'm going to cut off the excess of the fashion line. Then after that, from where the fashion line is coming from at the pearl bead, I'm going to pick 3 pearl beads, 3 pearl beads. Okay, then I'll pass my fashion line from behind the pearl bead or backwards into the pearl bead, then through the next crystal bead and the next pearl bead, the next crystal bead and the next pearl bead. Okay, so now after this, I'm going to pick another 3 pearl beads. 1, 2, 3. After picking the 3 pearl beads, as I did before, I'm going to pass my fashion line from behind the pearl bead or backwards through the pearl bead of which the fashion line is coming from. Then I'll pass it through the next crystal and the next pearl bead. I'll pass my fashion line through the next crystal and through the next pearl bead. Okay, after that I'm going to pick another 3 pearl beads, then pick another 3 pearl beads and repeat the step. And repeat the step by just passing my fashion line from behind the pearl bead of which the fashion line is coming from. Then I will pass it through the next crystal and through the next pearl bead. Okay, so after that, the usual step, I'll pick another 3 pearl beads. Then I will pass my fashion line from behind the pearl bead. Then okay, so this is what we have here. Okay, now I'm going to pass my fashion line through the immediate pearl bead from the crystal bead upwards. Okay, now I'm going to tie them up by just passing my fishing line through the holes in the bead, creating a loop and pulling out my fishing line to tie it up. I tied it about 3 times, then I cut off the excess of the fishing line. So look what we have here. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. Okay guys, now I'm taking out my earring hook and my jump ring. I opened up my jump ring and I'm going to pass it through one of the holes in the beads. Then I will add my earring hook and tie it up or join it together. So this is what we have. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.